Wrong time for your ride or die. I be fighting what I can't define. 8 hours for the kid inside, 16 for the man of style. Run out of time, running from my limits I defy. Going for a better dynamite. My body's on its peak and I'm speaking out. Might get what I didn't find. Cold season being fun in my home. I'm getting used to getting all alone. Why chase when I can't be prone to attract? No cap, I'm a higher zone. Less drama and I can't deny. You can find a better guy, but he's not gonna try to break through it. Get suited, can't do this. Stand so firm till I can't move through him. So fly and I see the firmament. So high and I see the form of it. Can't hide and I really don't know the shit. I keep minding my business, get my card and sit. Take these while I'm grabbing my keys. Still steez in a matter when the body can see. May we be the deliveries of wide the streets. Stay free, will you cry with me? Come fly with me. Wrong time for your ride or die. I be fighting what I can't define. 8 hours for the kid inside, 16 for the man of style. Run out of time, running from my limits I defy. Going for a better dynamite. My body's on its peak and I'm speaking out. Might get what I didn't find. Lies told me that I needed a reason. It wasn't me for a minute. I need to be independent. But shit, I've been living like a kid in the ghetto with no help in my system. Bones fell in the second, town's cold. Had the blankets in my soul, make more. Tell your bitch get off my phone. Came for the throne, aimed for the pros. King of the jungle, call me Don Leon. Run time for your ride or die. I be fighting what I can't define. 8 hours for the kid inside, 16 for the man of style. Run out of time, running from my limits I defy. Going for a better dynamite. My body's on its peak and I'm speaking out. Might get what I didn't find. I'd rather die now. I'd rather get it for me. I'd rather rise now. I'd rather get it going. I'd rather die now. I'd rather get it for me. I'd rather die now. I'd rather go and get it.